Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gadgets and tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're going to explore the FLIR One Pro, a top-tier thermal imaging camera designed for iOS devices. If you're looking for the best FLIR option for your iPhone, this might just be the perfect tool for you. Whether you're a professional in need of precise thermal inspections or just someone who enjoys the latest tech, the FLIR One Pro offers remarkable features that make it stand out. The FLIR One Pro connects seamlessly to your iPhone via the Lightning port, making it incredibly easy to attach and use. It's compatible with iPhones up to the 14 series, and it's as simple as plugging it in and firing up the FLIR One app. This camera is not just for casual users. It's made for professionals who need accuracy and reliability. With a native resolution of 160 by 120 and a super resolution feature that enhances the image to 320 by 240, the FLIR One Pro delivers a level of detail that's hard to beat in its class. This is crucial when you're using it to detect issues like air leaks, electrical hotspots, or hidden moisture. What sets this thermal camera apart is FLIR's Vivid IR technology, which enhances the image's clarity and detail. This makes a huge difference when you need to pinpoint exact problems during inspections. Whether you're working on HVAC systems, electrical panels, or even looking for water damage in homes, the clarity and detail this device provides are invaluable. The accuracy of this device is another highlight, capable of measuring temperatures within a margin of plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 5%. The FLIR One Pro gives you peace of mind, knowing you can trust its readings when assessing environments between 5 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius. This temperature range covers a broad spectrum of applications, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. But what good is all this technology if the camera isn't built to withstand the rough conditions of everyday use? The FLIR One Pro is designed with durability in mind. It can withstand drops from up to 2 meters, making it suitable for job sites, construction areas, or any environment where things get a little rough. Its tough build ensures it will last, no matter the task at hand. Let's talk about battery life. You're not going to want to cut your inspections short because of a dead battery, and with the FLIR One Pro, you don't have to worry. You can expect about an hour of continuous use, which is more than enough for most thermal imaging tasks. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium polymer battery, which is included, so you can get started right out of the box. Another feature worth mentioning is the mobile compatibility. The FLIR One Pro works with the FLIR One app, which gives you the ability to view, save, and share your thermal images with ease. It also integrates with FLIR Ignite, a cloud service that lets you store, organize, and even edit your thermal images from anywhere. This is perfect for professionals who need to send reports or keep track of their findings remotely. So whether you're a contractor, a home inspector, or just someone who needs to find hidden problems with precision, the FLIR One Pro is a powerful tool that fits seamlessly into your workflow. It's built for both professionals and hobbyists, offering the best in thermal imaging technology right at your fingertips. That's it for today's review of the FLIR One Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best tech out there. Let us know in the comments if you've used the FLIR One Pro, or if there's another gadget you want us to review. Thanks for watching.